In today's video, I'm going to teach you web how to add a background image in hero, section, or full page. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in your own project. First, open Webflow and make sure you're in the designer for the page where you want the background look. It could be your hero at the top, a specific section in the middle, or a full page feel. The key is to select the spot you want to affect before you add anything, so Webflow knows where to place the element. Next, open the Add panel. This is the panel that contains all the building blocks you can use on your page. If you don't see it, look for the plus icon on the left side of the designer. Opening the Add panel gives you quick access to layout elements, components, and media. Everything we need to build the visual foundation of a hero or section. With the Add panel open, use the search field and type the word image. Searching is faster than scrolling and ensures you're grabbing the exact element you need. This small habit speeds up your workflow, especially on larger projects. Now click on the image element from the search results. When you do, Webflow will insert an image placeholder into your canvas, usually right where your current selection is. If you had a hero or a particular section selected, the image will land there, which is perfect for creating a background style visual in that area. You'll see a gray placeholder box appear as a visual cue that the element is ready for content. With the placeholder selected, click Choose Image. This opens the Asset Manager, where you can pick from images already in your project or upload a new one if you've prepared a background graphic. Select the image you want, confirm, and your page updates immediately. Congrats! That image is now in place and visible in your layout. From here, you can refine the look so it behaves like a true background. Use the Style panel to control size, position, and how it sits behind your content. For a background style effect, aim for the image to fill the visible area of your hero or section, and keep your text legible on top. If you're going for a full page feel, make sure your main section spans the full viewport height, so the image covers the screen. A quick note on performance. Choose appropriately sized and compressed images, so your page loads quickly while still looking crisp. That's it. You've added your image and set the foundation for a clean, background-driven design. Save your work, preview the page, and make small visual tweaks until it feels just right.